Well, we thought about putting new shower heads in for about 2 seconds, and then thought, no. You know, at the end of the day, we haven't done it for any of the other teams that are coming down. Listen, it's only because we haven't been able to afford it. It's not us trying to be big and clever. That's what you need to write about. It's the volunteers here that, you know, have genuinely taken holiday days just to carry on, you know, just doing what's a normal situation for everybody else.